Over 2 million Capturs sold since 2013. At one point, the third best-selling car in the entire United Kingdom, the Renault Captur didn't just win the small SUV segment, it defined it. And now, for 2027, Renault has completely rebuilt it. New design, new powertrain, better tech, and it's still one of the best value small SUVs you can buy anywhere in Europe. Today, every angle, every detail. Let's go. Front first. That face is not subtle. The new Renault Diamond Lozenge badge, oversized, illuminated, pulsating in the center. It's become Renault's signature identity piece across their entire lineup. And on the Captur, it hits different. Full-width LED light bar stretching from one side to the other, slim, continuous, glowing white, flanked by angular LED headlight clusters on each side with a sharp geometric signature. The whole front end is wider and more planted than before. Below that, a structured lower intake with a slim horizontal LED strip at the very bottom. The color? That teal blue, a deep, saturated blue-green, vibrant without being flashy. Renault's designers call it expressive, and from this angle, you understand exactly what they mean. Two-tone color scheme with a light silver roof stripe running the full length of the car. A racing stripe influence that gives this compact crossover genuine visual drama. From above, that two-tone scheme is stunning from up here. Silver center strip on the roof, teal blue body wrapping around it, panoramic glass roof panel letting light into the cabin, and the whole car has this pulled, taut, aerodynamic shake from above. The roof narrows beautifully toward the rear. 5-pedal Renault logo wheels, large, dark, aerodynamic, charging port on the front left fender, compact footprint but efficient use of every centimeter. This is a small car that feels bigger than it is. The side, clean, smooth, confident. The side profile tells the whole design story, a rising character line from the front wheel all the way to the rear. The window area gets smaller toward the rear, creating that sporty greenhouse effect. Flush door handles, side skirts running the full length underneath. The coupe-like roofline slopes down to a neat rear spoiler. The rear haunches flare out slightly over the back wheels, giving the car a stance that no previous Captur generation had. It's wider, it's lower, it looks sportier, and yet it's still an extremely practical 5-door family crossover with 326 to 536 liters of boot space, depending on how you configure the sliding rear seat. The rear. Full-width LED tail light bar, glowing red, stretching the entire width of the tailgate. And inside those taillights, a pixel matrix pattern of individual LED dots. Dense, intricate, unmistakable. The Renault badge is centered just below the light bar, Renault lettering in chrome across the tailgate. Clean bumper, no exhaust pipes. This is the hybrid. No fuss, no mess. Just that glowing red bar across the back, reminding every car behind you, you're looking at the best-selling BSUV in Europe. The inside. Step inside, and this is where the 2027 Captur truly earns its place. The cabin was completely redesigned, and it is, honestly, one of the nicest interiors in the small SUV segment. Light gray upholstery everywhere, Renault badges embossed into the seat panels, a clean, uncluttered dashboard that feels premium without being intimidating. And in the center, a 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen, portrait orientation, running Renault's OpenR Link platform, powered by Google. That means Google Maps built in, Google Assistant built in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No cables, no fuss, it just works. Digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, showing your speed, range, energy flow, navigation. Blue ambient LED strips running horizontally across the full dashboard, carrying through into the rear door panels. It makes the cabin feel airy and premium even at night. Renault badge on the steering wheel, rotary gear selector in the center console, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, and 2 USB-C ports, standard. The rear seat? Wide. Light gray fabric seats with blue accent stitching, a fold-down center armrest with 2 cup holders.
rear AC climate vents built into the back of the center console, dedicated rear climate controls on a small touch panel, and look up, panoramic glass roof letting in the sky above in a car that starts at around 25,000 pounds. Rear legroom is genuinely usable. The sliding rear bench adjusts up to 16 centimeters to give more leg space or more boot space. You choose. Under the hood. Now, the part that's changed most significantly for 2027, the new E-Tech 160 full hybrid system, a 0.8-liter petrol engine paired with 2 electric motor generators and a 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery. Combined output, 160 horsepower, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.9 seconds, over a second faster than the previous generation E-Tech. That official fuel economy, up to 60 miles per gallon on a mixed route, and in slow city traffic, the Captur E-Tech glides on electric power alone. During a typical 60-mile motorway journey, owners regularly report 60-plus miles per gallon in real-world conditions. No plug needed. The battery charges itself through regenerative braking in the petrol engine. You never plug it in, and you still get hybrid efficiency every single day.
The base TCE 90 petrol version is available too. 90 horsepower, 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder, 6-speed manual, starting at around 22,000 pounds. And every single Captur comes standard with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition, speed limiter, and an 8-year battery warranty on hybrid models. Euro NCAP 4-star safety rating, Google integrated infotainment, 3 trim levels, Evolution, Techno, Esprit, Alpine, and prices starting from just over 22,000 pounds, making it one of the most affordable mainstream small hybrid SUVs on the market. So what is the 2027 Renault Captur? It's proof that the best-selling car in a category doesn't stay at the top by accident. Better design, better tech, better efficiency, a cabin that punches 2 price segments above its actual cost. That teal blue paint, that pulsating lozenge badge, that pixel taillight bar, that 60 miles per gallon hybrid, that Google-powered touchscreen. 2 million sold. And counting.